What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty, and my YouTube channel is the X King. My blog is xking.com, but the YouTube channel is the X King. Excuse me. I'm gonna show you how much I made this month. I do a monthly review of my earnings on YouTube, and what can you expect with 2,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers. How much can you make depending on what niche you're in? But this is what I make, and I'm showing you what the trend. And today is Friday, November 1st, 2019, and we'll hit refresh on here. Make sure that I'm show you again that flashes. I'm gonna show you again. So this is what's going on right now. So this is my analytics right here. Let's go into the revenue. Revenue tab is here. All right. So you see there's a brand new page from the last month. And last month I made $113.55 on YouTube. Last month was $111.36. August was $82. July $74. June was $51. So you see there's a trend going on that I make more money per month. Now, there's $111, $113. It's not a big difference, but it's up. It's not down. It's not $95. It's $113 I made last month. So and I have 2,000 subscribers to this channel, and so yes, that's how much I made on YouTube. It's going good. You want to? I don't think we see more, but these months here represent that if you post content on YouTube, your stats will go up. That's the bottom line. In order to get to $400-$500 per month, to get to $1,000 per month, you got to do the same things that made you the first $51 or $74, and that's to post content. And that's why I've done every month is post content. I got on a new schedule now of posting 3 videos per week. I've already timestamped the videos for the rest of the year, so I'm good always to January, and I ain't worried about it. This runs pretty much on autopilot. And, I have the content last me next 2 months, this month and December to January. So for this whole month of November, I don't got to do anything but sit back. I timestamp my video. I shot the videos last month. I timestamp the videos. And that's the beauty of making money online. The beauty of YouTube and blogging is that you could take 2 or 3 days off of work and post content to go out live in the future. So when you have these holidays and Thanksgiving and Black Friday and Christmas and New Year's, I'm not working. I've done all the work already. Now I can enjoy myself. That's one of the best things about YouTube. You can schedule your videos out weekly, monthly, yearly, whatever. But the problem is you gotta make sure you write down what days or what videos going out on a certain day so you know. But in order to make this much money, it's not a lot of money, okay? It's really not a lot of money. But if you stay consistent and keep posting videos, I don't get a lot of views on my videos. I don't. I might get 3, 4, 5 views on my videos. I don't get a lot of views, but I keep posting videos. That's the number one thing you could do on a blog or YouTube channel or social media. You post content. In order to build a big IG and Instagram and be an Instagram influencer, you have to do one thing and one thing well, and that's to post good content. This is a content-driven business. If you want a big-time blog, you have to post content. If you want a big-time YouTube channel, you have to post content. Look at Gary Vee. You look at all the other people who's on YouTube. They make videos consistently for years to come. They don't make 4 or 5 videos. It take a month off. They're shooting videos all the time. So granted, next month for November, I expect to go up some more. December, go up some more. And January, go up some more. And February, go up some more. Every month, it's going to make more money. Every month, it's going to get more and more stuff going on. Then I'm going to hit the $200 mark. I'm going to hit the $300 mark. I'm going to hit the $400 mark if I keep posting videos. So the message today is keep posting videos and you will get there. Okay? YouTube likes consistency. People like consistency. So every my channel post frequency is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. A new video goes out. So thanks for watching this video. What can happen? Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like the video, share the video. I wrote a blog post about this video as well to people know what's gonna happen. When I first last year I was making zero. Last year I wasn't a partner. So last year, around the time last year, I've been a partner since February of 2019. So last year around the time, I wasn't even a partner for YouTube. I was making none of this. Now I'm making money. And how I got to that point is posting content, posting videos. You can do tricks and all the other stuff and keywords. It don't mean nothing. You ain't posting content. Yes, thumbnails are important to make a real good thumbnail, but post content is the number one thing you can do with YouTube channel. And go ahead and get started. Don't worry about how I stutter in my videos. I ain't the best talker. I'm loud. I mispronounce my words. I speak a little too fast. But I don't let that deter me from doing videos, because you don't want to be like Gary Vee said. You don't want to be 95 years old in a nursing home wishing, like, damn, I wish I would have, when I was 30, shoot a video a day and I could have made something of myself and made some money to have a better future. You don't want to do that. So go ahead, get out there, start a channel, which is free. Get your nice phone, get a camera. You don't need a camera. Get your cell phone, pull it out, start shooting videos today. Below my video, I have links to my blog. I have links to how to do affiliate marketing. It's a free program. I have links to cashback apps you should be using to make more money on your gas and cashback on restaurants. So all my links will be below the video. If you want to start a blog with a free domain, add that as well. My name is Ty for That'sKing.com. Thanks for watching.